Hello everyone, my name is Andres Liu, and this is my research presentation of the next generation iPhone design. So here in Apple, we deeply follow the engineering process. First, we identify our problems and requirements for the next generation iPhone. So we focus on the problems with the last iPhone and reflect on how we can improve on the design. Many users have complain about camera quality, the screen, and the notch. We've noticed that the metal frame is weak and the battery life drains way too quickly. Here at Apple, we also uh, value security, and we think that Face ID is not strong enough for our product. So for requirements, to create the new iPhone, we need to make sure it attracts new customers. If we don't attract new customers, we can't sell our products. Next, we can't create unnecessary problems since that will affect the user experience. We need to make sure it's profitable for mass production and that the materials are sourced sustainably and that it's released by the end of the year. So user feedback and investigation. We ask our users on how we can improve the next generation of iPhone and what features we should add or discontinue. So in the Apple website, you can fill out a form and give us your feedback. Now, our research team uses those suggestions to improve the next iPhone. We try to create questions and answer them later on. So we also try to think how we can attract consumers to our products instead of our competitors. We also reflect on how our products compare to other competitors like Samsung or Huawei. So now we brainstorm the next idea or application that can make iPhone the next big thing. So here we have six things we can improve on. We have different suggestions or ideas that could improve or not improve the next generation iPhone. And after we try to select for optimal design here in Apple, we use a weighted score to try to determine what idea fits best for this new iPhone. This system tries to weigh the pros and cons of this idea, such as how expensive it is, how environmentally friendly it is, and how practical. So after we find a design choice, our engineer team creates a prototype with features including a fourth camera, scratch-resistant screen, smaller notch, new alloy for metal frame, bigger lithium battery, and new Face ID plus Touch ID. Our engineering team uses existing technology to build off these better systems or applications so we can make the best product for our customers. So after prototyping, we do testing analysis. We focus on durability and user experience. And after we test out and analyze what weaknesses it has, we improve and modify it. We tweak its hardware and software so it can enter its final design stage. So for reports, plan, and specifications, our design team creates blueprints for the next iPhone and are sent to manufacturer facilities. those iPhones are then shipped to Apple stores around the world. We then announced the new iPhone at the Apple event, talking about different screen displays, how the material is being sourced from, and the pricing. So this year's iPhone price is just starting at $1,499, very reasonable. And lastly, we release reports of our sales revenue. And that's how we make the iPhone 13 with an all new battery, a sapphire screen, a smaller notch, a strong alloy frame, Touch ID, better Face ID, and a better camera system. Okay, thank you.